Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Salesforce. First, understand that Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses manage their customer interactions and data. It offers a wide array of tools across different clouds, such as Sales Cloud for sales automation and Service Cloud for customer support. A great initial step is to sign up for a free trial, which typically lasts for 30 days, allowing you to explore its core functionalities without any commitment. Once you have a basic understanding, dive into Salesforce Trailhead. This free online learning platform offers thousands of modules and guided paths, helping you learn at your own pace. You can earn badges and even prepare for official certifications, which are highly valued in the industry. Engaging with the vibrant Salesforce community through forums or local groups provides invaluable support and networking opportunities as you progress on your learning journey. Hands-on practice is crucial for mastering Salesforce. Create a free developer edition organization. This provides a safe, dedicated environment for you to experiment without affecting live data. Spend time building custom objects, defining fields, and setting up automation rules like workflow or flow. Try to build a simple application, perhaps tracking a small project or inventory, to apply what you have learned and truly solidify your understanding of the platform's capabilities. Salesforce offers numerous exciting career paths. Common roles include Salesforce Administrator, responsible for managing the platform, and Salesforce Developer, who builds custom solutions. Pursuing official certifications, like the Administrator or Platform Developer 1 certification, can significantly boost your career prospects and earning potential. The Salesforce ecosystem is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and adapting to new features and updates are key to long-term success and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.